Hi, I am Jerzan Narzabal of Easymediatv. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am graphics designer and video creator from Philippines, currently based in Saudi Arabia. I will be posting videos about designing visual concepts, including illustrations, logos, labels, branding and product mock-up tutorials and many more using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop every Saturday, every week. You'll learn the skills essential for graphic designer from my channel. Be sure to subscribe for new content. And comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.